We are his greatest obstacle. Yeah? And every Kenyan knows that one party that is truly one term is DCP. Isn't it? So don't worry about these intimidations. We continue to do meetings. This afternoon I'll be in Bisil in Kajiado Central. Monday will be in Kitui. The other week will be everywhere. Getting elected as president is about political mobilization. Many people may want to spend a lot of time in hotels and boardrooms discussing theories. I am a very experienced politician who have delivered 2 presidents to this country. And I know how to make a president. There is no president you will make in a boardroom. Presidents are made in the field. So, sisi ni watu ya mashinani. And you must go and mobilize people and inspire them. And you must have content. People must remember what you say 1 month down the line. That is how you become a president. So, sisi tuko hapo. Na tunasukuma ground. And I want to encourage all of you. Mukitoka hapa murudi kwa ground. There are 5 options on how you get elected as an MCA, MP, senator, governor, or president. Option number 1, ground. Option number 2, ground. Option number 3, ground. Option number 4, ground. Option number 5, ground. There is no other formula. Unajua mimi naona watu wako na mastori mingi. Ati unafikiri ukiweka picha ya mtu ate kwa social media he can be president. Ati unaweka picha the 6th. That cannot make you president. You must go out there and mobilize numbers. And you must inspire the people of Kenya. If they admire you, you must translate that admiration to votes. If they believe in your philosophy, you must convert that belief into votes. That can only be done by aggressively going to the people and mobilizing them to agree to back you for whatever position that you want. So both of us who are in DCP, our slogan is Sikiza Wake. Please, please, please. We don't want to hear you in Nairobi unless you contest here. Wale watu tunataka hii town ni ile watu